I mean, it's valid documentation. That takes a lot. How old are you?
I got everything. I moved. I'm doing good. I work at Chrysler. I got 2 houses. I'm good now. So yeah.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 31.
All right, this is your role model for today, everybody. I'm serious. She got out of there. You have kids?
I have 2.
With him or somebody else?
With him, 5 and a 3-year-old, 5-year-old son, 3-year-old daughter.
Okay, I'm gonna dismiss it again then, because that's even harder.
Don't stipulate it now.
Amen. God is good.
On the legal side, it's valid documentation. On the real side, she left and she stayed and she has 2 kids with him, and it's hard to do. Got 2 houses, a job, and a future. Good for you. Good for you. Believe in you. Let me tell you, I'm not gonna talk loud. Well, I tell my daughter, she's 25, I text her almost every day, love yourself first and your profession second. I said, God is understood, but you better love yourself and your profession first and second, if you know what I know. The rest is gravy. The rest is gravy. She don't have kids, so I don't have to say love your kids. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm telling the truth. You'll see.
I know.
All of you will. And those of you that don't have to, yay, yay for you. Is that right?
That's right.
Bernard Watts, say your name, please.
Bernard Watts.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
On case number SP 1075694, count 1, in the city of Detroit, on March 17, 2020, were you driving without insurance?
Yes.
All right, we'll lower that to the proper place, so it'll be $240. When are you gonna pay that?
I'll pay immediately.
Thank you so much. How long can he put it in? What, 15 minutes?
Yeah, I can put it in.
15 minutes, you gotta wait for it to get in the system, okay?
Okay, do I go online or can I pay from the Zoom call?
Yeah, go online, www.36districtcourt.org. You can't come down to the kiosk, but if you could go online, it's probably easier.
Doing it now.
Okay?
Okay.
All right. Chantrice Walton, SP 1028970. Say your name.
Chantrice Walton.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
In the city of Detroit on September 27th, 2019, did you we drive without a valid license?
I had my ID, but not my license at the time. So yes.
Well, this is about your license. So were you driving without a valid license? That would be a yes or no, right?
Yes.
So that's a no. You didn't have a license that day when they asked for it. Do you have one now? Do you have a license now?
Yes.
A driver's license?
Yes.
Do you have insurance?
For the car I was driving then, yes, I had the insurance and everything like that. I don't no longer have that car anymore.
Suspended for that too. Oh, she don't have it.
Well, was your license? Thank you. Was your license suspended at the time? Thank you.
No, I only had a ticket in a different. I had a ticket in Belleville, and when he pulled me over, I only had my ID at the time.
Well, then you didn't have your license on.
Hey,
Well, I didn't. Yeah, it wasn't suspended though, but I didn't have it on me at the time.
All right, I'm gonna take that plea. We're gonna lower it to failure to display, and we'll throw out SP 102895613. That'll be $240. Are you paying that today?
she posted a $500 bond.
Okay, thank you. Wait about 30 minutes, go in the system and transfer your bond to your monthly fee here, okay?
Okay. How would I be able to do that? I'm sorry.
You go to www.36 www.36districtcourt.org. And you younger specialists, help me out. Tell her how to do it. I've never done it.
For her bond.
Yes.
Okay, so for everyone, I need everyone to listen for your bond. I will be sending down your ticket number to the bond information today. So just give the bond counter like 2 days to apply your bond automatically. And then you need to check on 36districtcourt.org to make sure everything is paid. If it is not paid and you still owe a balance, then you need to satisfy that balance.
So do they pay today if they have a bond?
No, Your Honor.
That's what I thought you were. Tell them.
You do not have to pay today if you have a valid bond. Your bond will be applied
In 2 days.
in 2 days.
Do they have to do anything to make it apply?
No, Your Honor, I will submit the information to the cashier.
After you send the information, it will self-apply.
Yes,
As
Your
far as
Honor.
they're concerned.
Yes, Your Honor.
So if you have the bond, my suggestion is wait 2 or 3 days and check the system, www.36districtcourt.org, and make sure it went through.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
you're welcome. Alvarez Walker, SP 213093, say your name. Say your name, please, Walker. Okay, I'll come back.
Avery Walker, can you say your name, please?
Avery Walker.
All right, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, April 19, 2016, in the city of Detroit, were you driving with no insurance?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. We're gonna lower that to improper plates and throughout driving with a suspended license. That'll be
Yes.
$200 plus your suspension fee of $45. And
So
if you have,
200 plus 45?
it's $240 plus all suspension fees
Okay.
of $45 each. Are you gonna go online and pay that today?
Yes, I
All
can.
right. All right. www.36districtcourt.org.
Okay, let me clarify something. You said 240 each for each ticket plus 45 added on to each one of those 240?
Yeah, yes.
No,
Everyone,
but one was dry.
but it still had a $45 reinstatement.
Yeah, you have to pay reinstatement fee and everything, but there's one 240, not two 240.
Okay, 240. Okay.
Yes, but there's 45 suspension fee on everything. Every case you ever had that was paid late or dealt with late. Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Am I done?
Yes,
Okay, just go to, okay, thank you, Judge. Thanks for having the time to talk to me today.
you're welcome. Well, that's
Thank
my
you.
job. I feel that's my
Well, you do a fine job. Thank you for being there for me today, because I need to get my license back.
I can't stand that when I see head talk.
I know. I apologize for that, but my phone is jacked up.
No, you're all right. Mario Williams, SP 1072061. Say your name, please.
Mario Williams.
All right, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
In the city of Detroit on March 5th, 2020, we driving with no insurance.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna lower that to improper plates. That's $240. Are you paying that today?
Yes.
Thank you. You know to go www.36districtcourt.org, right?
Yep.
All right, let's have Monica Walker, U 196-65614. Say your
Yes.
name.
Monica Walker.
All right, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, in the city of Detroit on November 18, 2014, were you loitering in a drug house? A place of illegal occupation, huh?
Yes.
All right, we'll drop the other one. Case number U 196-62614, disorderly conduct. That will be, in 3 months, if nothing further occurs, it'll be dismissed, the one you plan on. So that's $240. And then you would come back in 3 months or your dismissal. What's her dismissal date?
It will be July 28th, Your Honor.
July 28th. And then are you gonna pay the $240 today?
I don't get check to Monday, so
I
I
can't
work.
hear Monday.
I don't get my check to Monday. I'm working. I have 2 kids, so I just pay my rent.
What do you wanna pay?
I don't have nothing. I don't get my check to Monday.
Right, but are you, listen, this is how I see it. If you have rent, you should pay your rent. If you can pay the rent and this, that's fine. Or you could break it up, or you can come back another day. What do you want to do?
I don't have no money right now. I can't pay until Monday.
No,
Okay,
right now, does right now mean the second, or does it mean Monday too? Will you have it on Monday?
Yes, I will have it on Monday.
Okay, May 3rd, May 3rd. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Oh, on William Martell, I see a sad note here. Defendant died.
And counsel has not chimed in for this yet, but he called.
Oh, he has a retained.
Perkins Law Group just called about this person, but they have not came on.
All right, this Perkins Law Group apparently called on this. I'm gonna call it. Brandon Williams, case number SP 1030331. He had quite a few cases, but apparently he's deceased. So,
Pretty sad, only, looks like he's 27 years
yeah,
old.
he's young.
94.
A year before my daughter.
wow.
Oh, you understand that? 94.
Mm-hmm.
94. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa.
Do I need to stand in for Mr. Perkins or?
Yeah, thanks. That blew me away. Yeah.
Okay.
Would you call that case?
Yes.
Both of us have kids right in that same time. The lawyer and I, we both were pregnant at the same time, just to let you know. So we maybe I shouldn't say that as a judge, but we were. And we connected because I was trying to tell her my big secret and my news. And I was me too. I was going into juvenile, she was coming out.
In juvenile court, that's right. In juvenile court.
I said, guess what?
I said, what?
We're calling cases for Brandon Martez Williams, case number SP 107-05381. License improper, count 2 of the same case number, no operator's license on person. Court calling case SP 110-35041. That is driver's license suspension. Also calling case 20407-109.
I don't think we have to call it
License
at all.
improper.
They got something in the law called at all, right, Linda?
Yeah.
Perkins.
Yeah.
That means and everything. Isn't that what it
Yes. Okay. Linda, okay. Linda Perkins Moore, P36136, standing in for the attorney of record of the Perkins Law Group, Your Honor, and we be making a motion to dismiss at this time.
And this is on behalf of Attorney Todd Perkins and or the Perkins Law
Yes.
Group.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, that's done.
Okay.
Okay. Let's have, and we gave him a memorial today, so God bless his soul.
Yeah.
All right, and his mother. Woo. Timothy Webb, case number SP 1111183. Say your name.
Timothy Webb.
All right, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, in the city of Detroit on October 1st, 2020, were you driving with no insurance?
Yes.
We'll lower that to proper place and throw out SP 11183, count 1, no license, and SP 102-22037, count 1 and 2, no valid license, no insurance. And count 3 is closed. So that would be $240. Are you paying that today?
Yes, but I post the bond. Could they take
Okay,
it up a bond?
tell him again. We're gonna let her tell all of you again the bond news.
For a
Yes,
bond, please give the bond window 2 days to apply your bond. Once 2 days pass, you can go on to 36districtcourt.org and see if you have any remaining monies that you need to apply to satisfy the judgment today.
So check in 2 days, 2 to 3 days. Check. All right, thank you. And then if it doesn't work out, I tell everybody in my courtroom, you can log back in. So this clerk is very helpful. So can I tell them that? Sure. All right, log back in 2 or 3 days if you still have a problem.
Okay, I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Okay.
All right, Ashley White, case number SP 103749, counts 1 and 3. Say your name, please.
Ashley White.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
In the city of Detroit on December 3rd, 2019, were you driving with no insurance in Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll lower that to improper plates and throw out SP 242982, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 326997, counts 1, 2, and 3. That would be $240. I just got it.
Yep.
Okay, that's because
Yeah.
So I realized now that, well, I kind of, like, that you have the same thing, is you, so they let you like that happen. You got that,
Yeah.
and that's good.
Thank you.
Mhm. Mhm. You build your own name and your own respect. Yep. Harlan Williams, state your name, please.
What? I'm done.
I'm sorry. Yes, you're paying today, right? I'm sorry. I had a little sidebar. You're paying today, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
today.
I told her that. I'm sorry. So
Okay.
you about 15 or 30 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Go to www.36districtcourt.org.
Okay, thank you.
Same to all of you. If there's any problems, you can zoom back in. I don't think many of you will have problems because at least in my courtroom, they don't hardly ever zoom back in. But
So
we're here if it's necessary. That's
so
the
once I
point.
do pay this, that means I will get my license back, right?
Well, I don't agree to that. I don't promise that because I'm not too sure if you have cases anyplace else. I used to promise all that. People would have cases all over and I wouldn't know it. So then I wouldn't be making a good promise. But I'm assuming if you don't have, wait a minute, it's 2 things to this. If you don't have any open cases or fines or fees, the answer is yes. And if you don't have a prior history that had too many points that disqualified you. See, that's why I was messing up telling people make all these promises and I didn't know all that.
Okay.
My gut feeling is you're fine. I'll say that.
Okay, thank you. Well, I'm gonna pay it today. Thank you. Have a good day.
Remember that, John, those prior fees, those prior points,
Mm-hmm.
you'll be making a promise. They might be all paid up. What if they have a point?
Right.
Okay, Harlan Williams. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay, in the city of Detroit, on case number SP 1109262, count 1, did you fail to display a valid license on August 29th, 2020?
Yes.
Okay, we'll throw out SP 1109262, counts 2 and 3. That'll be $240. Are you paying that today?
No.
Okay, you can talk up a little bit. I'm not gonna bite you. All right, what day would be good to come back?
Friday.
Okay, Friday the 30th.
Yes.
April 30th?
Yep.
Okay, sir, it's almost becoming unbearable. All right,
Yes.
go
Couple days.
online, April 30th, www.36districtcourt.org. Thank you. Pay at April 30th.
Okay, thank you.
Thelma Woodard, SP 1077041. Say your name.
I'm a Woodard.
Okay, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, our case number was, I said, SP 1077041 in the city of Detroit. On June 2nd, 2020, did you fail to display a valid license?
I did.
Thank you. We're going to throw out SP 1077040, counts 1 and 2, speeding and no valid registration. That would be $240. Are you paying that today?
I am.
Thank you. Wait about 40 minutes and then go in online and pay.
Thank you. I will.
Thank you. Nice, direct. I could hear. Didn't zoom all over the place.
Yeah.
Didn't deny. What did you say? Huh? 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 Thank you.
Lord, so refreshing.
Yeah, refreshing. I won't have to take a 3-hour nap today. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay. Calvin Wright, say your name, please.
Yes, Calvin Wright.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
A case number C542988, count 2, were you speeding 40 and a 35 on February 25th, 2020?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna make that. Oh, so you're leaving that because you're saying he was really speeding a lot? Yeah.
Yes, the officer put it down at the scene, so it would have originally been a 4-point offense, and now it's a 1-point offense.
Okay. All right, we're gonna throw out SP 542988, count 1, driving a suspended license. This is a 1-point offense you pled on. It's $175. Are you paying that today?
Yes.
Okay, thank you too. Nice and crisp. Wait 40 minutes and then you pay. Go right online and pay. John, is this it? Oh,
I have just 3 over here.
good.
Yep.
We're doing really well, Council. And all of you, we're moving along just fine. Levon Wilson, say your name, please.
Levon Wilson.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
A case number SP 1068186, count 1, whose driving while license was suspended in Detroit. That would be a yes or a no.
Yes.
All right, we'll lower that to failure to display and throw out counts 2 and 3, fraudulent insurance documents and failure to signal. That would be $240. Are you paying that today?
I pay. I got 2 bonds applied.
Would you give the bond information, please?
I heard it. I'm just letting you know. It's basically already took care of.
Okay. Thank you. Check in 3 days. Make sure it all went through. Thank you for listening.
Hey, I have one other question.
Yep.
Can you tell me about this? I got case 16239.
Mr. Wilson, can you please call the courtroom after session?
Well, there might be one that's on there. Let's just see if it's on there, because I threw out about 2 or 3. Sometimes they don't.
It's
What's the case number?
162392921.
Is it on there?
Just 324 was already adjudicated. It was already adjudicated. We just had to pay the money back in 2016.
It was planned on in 2016. You just owe the money on that now. How much?
$324.
$324.
Yeah, but when I was down there when I just paid the bonds, like on these tickets, I was like trying to see, and the lady said she didn't basically know nothing about it, or I guess it didn't come up because I got the paper with everything on it right here.
Well, maybe she might have made a mistake, but it's $324, right?
Yes, sir.
So when you pay this, I would suggest pay the $324 also. Do you have the case number?
Yes, the case number is 16239. 292, count 1.
Okay. So where you are, I don't need to talk. We already said about the bond. I got another bond that's applied, so I could just tell the court to put that towards that.
Unless they canceled it, unless they reinstate his bond.
No, see, my bonds was for just like the cases that you just dismissed.
No, I'm talking about for 2016.
That one doesn't have a bond on here.
Okay. All right, it doesn't have a bond. You just gotta pay. We gave you the case.
I'm gonna go down and pay that today. Thank you.
Thank you. You should come down there. Yeah. At the kiosk at the building, because they have a lot of people out there helping you. Isn't that right?
Yes.
I see them. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Enjoy your day.
All right. Dallas Williams, case number SP 108-56781. Say your name.
Dallas Williams.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes.
In the city of Detroit on June 6, 2020, on SP 108-56781, were you driving with driver's license expired?
Yes, Your Honor. The reason why my license was expired is because due to COVID, I couldn't get in to renew my license. And I had got not a court date, but I made an appointment to renew it in September. And since then, I have renewed my license.
All right. Oh, shoot. Did you hear that?
I just caught the tail end that he renewed his
Do
license.
you have your license?
Yes.
He missed it because of COVID.
Oh,
okay. Just listen to him.
Can you, do you have your license that you could show to us on the screen, sir?
Why did you have it? Why was it expired on the day you got this ticket?
My birthday is in June, and at that time, the Secretary of State was closed due to COVID, so I wasn't able to get an appointment until September.
Okay, well now, being that your license is now valid, Mr. Williams, we'll move to dismiss this matter, okay? For
Thank
valid
you so much.
documentation. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
I told you I listened to all of you. And the city is very fit. Well, this city is very fit. This city representative.
This city. Qualify that. It's like different police officers, right?
The court reporter, she needs you, Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. I just needed the appearance of, is that the prosecutor? He spoke.
Yes.
His appearance.
My apologies, Madam Court Reporter. John Gillis, P79500, on behalf of the people of the city of Detroit.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome.
All right, so you can log off.
Okay, thank you. You have a good day.
You're welcome. Keisha Wade, case number SP 124-102-221. Say your name, please. Keisha Wade, Marcia, Dwayne Williams, say your name.
Dwayne Williams.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes.
Counsel, I'm gonna recall this. This is an OUIL, all right?
Yeah, sure. I just saw that. Okay.
All right, on Alan Washington. Would you say your name, please? Alan Washington.
I believe he's not connected, Your Honor. I have sent him multiple checks to connect.
All right, Mr. Washington, we're going to give you a new court date.
Okay.
Would you give him a June, sometime in June?
Yes.
That's how I handle stuff like that.
Okay.
And then maybe put a handwritten note, but put it in the June and ask him to please have help. If he doesn't know how to do it, have help.
Okay.
And then also, I would do this. I would have the court, your number on it.
Okay.
All right, Kenneth Watley, would you say your name, please?
Kenneth Watley.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, on case number SP 965-321, count 1, the city of Detroit, were you driving with license not valid on January 17, 2019, and no insurance?
Yes.
We'll lower those to failure to display in the proper place. Throw out all these tickets. SP 965-321, count 3, SP 11666222771, SP 12496-294, View 412-55708. So you owe 240 plus 240, which is 480, plus any suspension fees of 45 each for old tickets that haven't been handled on time. Are you gonna pay that today?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Wait about 40 minutes and go in and do what we've been telling everybody to do.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Keisha Marcia Wade. Keisha Wade.
She's not on here anymore.
All right, same thing.
Okay.
The same thing. Sometimes they have to go to work. All right, let's have Dwayne Williams. Do you know how to do it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, who are these other people?
We have
Dwayne Williams, wait a minute. We're gonna put you in the breakout room, but wait a minute.
We have Musa Wazel.
How many do you have left? I see 3.
Is Musa Wazel on here, Taran Wilson, and Ronald Washington?
Ronald Washington's file.
All right, Ronald Washington, say your name.
Musa Wassel. I think, this should actually be
Ronald
transferred to the
Washington,
business
say your
license
name.
docket, which is 440. I guess right now,
Unmute, unmute, Mr. Washington.
Okay.
I can't hear you. Ronald Washington. Okay, he has a mute issue.
I sent you checks.
Ronald Washington, unmute.
I'm gonna run next door and start working on
Yes, but
those.
hold on for me.
Oh, okay.
It's young people stuff. I need help.
Okay.
Help me with this guy. I can't hear it.
Ronald Washington? Do we know which one?
He's in the middle.
I just asked.
Oh.
I just asked him to unmute his phone.
I asked him to unmute. That's what help. He jumped.
I found it. You hear me now?
There we go. There we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, do you,
So start
wait a
with
minute. So wait a minute. What about Charlie and Wilson? Did you do him? John, I don't want somebody to hear you.
No, I know.
All right. Tori and Wilson.
I gave you his stuff. Wait, no, I didn't.
All right,
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm here.
and this Musa guy, do we have him?
I just gave it to,
Okay.
I am here, ma'am.
to be transferred to the business license.
Okay, okay. Hey. All right. Ronald Washington.
Yes,
Say your
ma'am.
name. All right. Say your name. Do you
Okay.
swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Oh, after I do, we're almost done. I'm going to my chamber. Then, I've learned to work around you, so I'll just do other things. And then text me when they're about 4 or 5. All right. All right, thank you. On case number S, you swear to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God, right?
I do.
All right, on SP 144673073 in the city of Detroit. Were you a drug dealer without a license?
Ma'am,
Hello?
no,
Yes.
I was charged with violating the government order.
Wait a minute, hold on. I see SP 144673. Hold on, just a moment. No, I see no insurance. No, that's count two. Wait a minute.
He does have a governor's order ticket, Judge. It's one of the state tickets.
Yeah, but I'm doing, right. I figured that, but he has unlicensed too. Were you driving unlicensed in Detroit on April 8th, 2014?
Yes, some problem. I'm not sure, but I would say yes.
Sir, I need a yes or no.
Yes.
Do you have a license now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna take that plea. We drive with no insurance on SP 144673072 in Detroit on April 9th, 2014.
Yes.
All right, that'll be a proper place. We'll dismiss on let me finish. We'll dismiss on SP 144673007, which is driving with no registration, and then we'll dismiss on your state tickets, SP 102825, failure to secure loan, failure to have license, and the junk dealer. Those are all dismissed, so you only have two you pled on. That's 240 plus 240. That's $480 plus any suspension fees of $45. Are you gonna pay that today?
Oh, no, ma'am. I won't be able today.
All right, give me a date when you can either pay all of it or start paying.
I can start paying Friday.
When?
I can start paying Friday.
Okay, that'll be April 30th.
Okay.
So start paying April 30th. How much you gonna pay?
I'm not sure, but off my head, I'm trying to pay $200 to $300.
Okay, go on and then do it again. You should be in good shape.
Ma'am?
Make two payments. Do it again. Yes. So you can get a valid license. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor, 1 second. Mr. Wazzle? Unmute your phone.
Yes,
I have been sending you a chat. You need to go into a different meeting room. You have a business license ticket. So
Right.
do you have a pen?
Yes, ma'am. 1 second. Yeah, it's just the fire department fee that I wasn't paying.
Okay, sir, I just need you to write down this meeting ID number, so therefore you can go into the correct courtroom, okay?
Okay.
It is 360.
Okay.
360.
Okay.
0440.
Okay.
Repeat what you have so I can make sure you have the right number.
360-360-0440.
Correct. And they are waiting for you now, okay? And make sure that you connect to your audio and video and pay attention to your chat just in case they are sending you a message, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
Let them know you were late because you were in this courtroom.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that.
Okay. Oh, the clerk helped you too. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. I was charged with violating the government order. What I do about that, that's the ticket. That's the ticket I got. I wasn't driving.
I threw out all the state tickets. I never saw that government order.
And
do you see it in the computer?
I'll look for it in the computer, John. Mr. Randall, what your middle name is, sir?
Darrell.
They possibly threw that out because I do not have that ticket in my computer system, sir.
Yeah, we didn't see. All your state tickets got thrown out, but I didn't see that one. And that's, as a matter of law, they can't charge that anymore, and all of them are getting thrown out.
Okay.
because that law was kicked out.
Okay. I'm still not getting to understand about the government violation order. I don't want to.
Attorney Perkinsmore, you give me a little helping hand there, all right?
Okay. Yeah, understand that you are not charged that ticket. They've been thrown out. There's nothing
No,
pending.
don't tell them that. And please don't tell them that.
Okay.
What I was trying to say is we don't see the ticket at all. So we don't know if it was thrown out or not.
Mm-hmm.
So it might be lingering somewhere in the system. That's why I'm scared to tell them.
Okay.
But what I am saying, go on. Even if it pops up, help me out, really. Help. It's not good law. They overruled that law, sir.
Okay.
We don't see the ticket. We don't even see it. So I can't really say what happened to it. I could just tell you, even if it pops up, you ask for a court date, it will get thrown out.
Okay, thank you.
That's all I can tell you. It's that law got thrown out by the Supreme Court.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Now,
Do you, Taran Wilson and then Dwayne Williams.
okay. Torian Wilson, say your name, please.
Torian Wilson?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes.
On case number SP 154742521 in the city of Detroit on July 1st, 2015, we drive without did you fail to display a valid license?
Yes.
Okay, that would be $240. Are you paying that today?
I will be checking in 2 days as I have a 1,600 cash bond.
Okay, do that. Good for you. Pay off everything. Moving violations, everything. Like red light, stop light, green light, stop sign, pay it all. I'm serious. How old are you?
I'm 30. I just turned 30.
Well, that's about what you look like. Okay, so my niece is 30. I got all these ages now. I got them. My sister died, so that's my kid. I got it. Now you all need to get straight. You're about to be a real grown-up. And nobody looking at you as up and comer after 30. They look at you as an old man. Okay?
I'm trying to get straight right now. I'm trying to.
Yeah, you're supposed to have your life in order as far as this type of thing. Okay? I'm telling you, that's why I tell my niece, she hates me to say it, but it's sure enough true. Okay?
Yeah.
So pay off everything so you don't, the second reason you don't get stopped. What happened to that man in North Carolina that they had the warrant out on?
Mm-hmm.
Brown. Did you see? Did you see?
Shot him. Oh, yeah.
Did you see? His
Yeah.
hands on the wheel and everything, straight on the wheel as usual, right?
Still got shot. Oh.
Yeah, for your mama. It doesn't matter. Now, why give them a reason? I mean, well, they might do it anyway, but why give them one?
Yeah.
Are you listening? You
Yeah, I'm
look just
listening.
like what they like. I hate to say it, but you look just like, well, they call it driving while black. So you look just like that profile. I hate to, it's true.
Yeah.
They even did it to me. I had a red Cadillac. I got stopped a lot when I had a red Cadillac. When I got a black car, I didn't get stopped nearly as much.
Yeah. They stop me all the time because I drive a Mercedes. They get stopped all the time.
Do you? It happens to you too?
Yes.
Really?
I'll tell you off record that what I've done though. So.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, what I did, I just got a new. Well, actually, I became a judge, so I got a new car because it didn't look judgely. But I that was the real reason because I love that red Cadillac. But I also noticed I didn't get stopped anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't trying to get stopped no more. Yeah.
You might get stopped anyway, but you be ready for it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like when
I'm
you
trying
have
to.
your
Yeah.
when you have your hand outside the car, you know, your one hand on the wheel and the other way have your license, but have it flat like that. See, flat, like Jesus or something. You know, go like this. Mercy. To be looking up at the sky.
Hey, sweetie.
All right, that's what I want for you. So you take all that money, that was the point, and pay everything off. Don't go to the mall. Don't go take your baby's mother somewhere, or the new other one, the one
I
on the
don't
way.
know what I gotta pay though. I'm trying to know.
And get yourself straight and get a good job and keep, all right? And save some money out of each check. It's not that hard.
Oh, I'm good. I'm ready. Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you how to stay good.
Oh, yeah.
He said he didn't know the amount he had to pay. It's $240.
Yeah, I don't.
Your bond will cover it and you'll get it returned.
Maybe,
Okay,
maybe not.
cool.
Maybe not. That's based on what we see today. I've been here 15 years. It's then he had a high bond. Listen, let me tell you what the other point is that this old judge knows. There's no way he would have a bond that high for one ticket. All right? That's what this old judge knows. And that's why I spent so much time talking to you, okay?
Right.
Thank you so much. You know, right? Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so much.
So I'm all set. I just gotta pay that 240 for the just trying to make sure. All right.
You're straight.
Right.
If you listen to me, you'll be straight for life. Bye. The breakout room. Council, we're getting ready to put you in the breakout room. Bye.
All
right.
Okay, so I'm putting you in the breakout room, Madam Council.
Okay.
I do know this agent's like the back of my hand.
Mr. Williams, when you see the
Yes.
prompt to accept the prompt to go into the breakout room, okay?
Okay, so I just hit this join.
Yes.
Hey, these agents that I'm talking about are harder than 2 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody thinks 2 is hard. Cool.
Well, we got through with that docket quick.
Oh, play.
Thank you.
Thank you too. I'll play. We have things to do here,
Yes.
like live life. You know? But you're good, John's good, I try to be good. It makes a difference, right?
Yes, this was perfect. This was beautiful.
Do I have anything I have to say?
Nope, I got that all
Okay.
under control. And Your Honor, for that OWI that she's in a breakout room with, his is actually a sentence. He had missed his sentencing date back on 3/3 of 2021.
Do they have the report?
They do have the report on Your Honor.
Oh, well, I guess I should be reading. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, she put me in there with Mr. Williams, but I don't have an offer for Mr. Williams.
No, it's, you know what, I didn't realize it, it's a sentence, it's a sentence.
Oh.
Yes, I can send you the report, Madam Counsel.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. I was confused. Okay.
Well, I didn't know.
I ain't either.
Ms. Wade, you were in our courtroom and then you disconnected yourself from the courtroom. Excuse me, ma'am, listen to what I'm saying. The judge already gave you another court date for June the 28th. Okay, June the 28th at the same time. From 2012, ma'am, she did look at the ticket, she called your name, you was not in the courtroom, so she let me give you another court date for June the 28th.
We can do it. We can do it.
Hold on one second.
That's the one.
That was Keisha Wade.
Well, where was she?
She was in here and then she left. Then she said she went to another courtroom and was waiting in that courtroom. Okay, so this
Is she at the police? Tell her, can you get her on the screen?
I can tell her to log in, yes. Counsel, I'm still waiting for it to come to my email for me to send it over to you, okay? I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you.
And it actually is coming over right now.
Okay.
I did put Linda back in the breakout room and then I'll do Keisha now.
Okay. Ms. Wade, the judge said go ahead and zoom back into our meeting. And that is, I don't know what other number you zoomed into, but the one that is 360, ma'am, listen to what I'm saying. 360-337-0000. No, you need to zoom back in to the meeting room. The meeting ID is 360-337-0000. You're not in here waiting. Nope, I don't see you.
Okay, the court order is start all over again.
Okay, so I need you to write it down. (360-337-0000). No, ma'am. I said.
Oh my God, give it to me. Give it to me. We don't do this. Hello? Hello, this is the judge. Now, this is what I expect now. I expect you to log back in as if you're starting all over again. I will do your case. If it is too much of a burden for you today, we will give you another day. What do you choose, today or another day? All right, then you have to obey the orders. Now start logging in all over again, and I will do your case now. But you can't log us down with the same question over and over. You stop the whole court from running, okay? Log back in now.
And there she is right there.
Okay, I will do your case now. You can stay on the phone.
No. I'm like, I'm confused. Okay, thank you.
All right, say your name, please.
Keisha Wade.
You swear for to tell the whole truth, nothing but the truth to help you God.
Yes.
All right, in the city of Detroit on January 2nd, 2012, you failed to display a valid license.
Yes.
Would be a yes or no. Okay.
Yes.
That's $240. Are you going to pay that today?
Yes.
Thank you. Wait about 30 minutes for it to get in the system. Go to www.36districtcourt.org.
May I go up there and pay on the kiosk?
Yes, you may.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. And then I'll receive my clearance out of this because this is my last ticket.
Well, you should. You should. That's all I can say. Because sometimes people have too many points to get a license. You know, there's always some things I don't know. But if you're fine with all your other stuff, yeah, you should. It should be fine. Make your appointment with Secretary of State today.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to go straight to the Secretary of State and let this all be over with.
Good. I'm rooting for you.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Deborah
Thank you.
Jerry, okay, we try to serve in here.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye.
You can put me in a breakout room. I got the report. for Mr. Williams.
Madam Council, you should be able to go back in there yourself.
Okay, thank you. Heading
You're
in.
welcome. I didn't hear you, I'm sorry.
The report. Okay, sometimes when they hear the judge, or they hear yes or no, these are your choices. Yeah, that, or, I figured it out in this way. So I'm in her, I think we don't give enough thought on people. I don't think she's one of them, but you know, a lot of people are dumb.
Yes.
I mean, I don't think we think about that.
Yes, I take that under
Some are
consideration.
out and out dumb, and some are slow, like slower than dumb. Some are, well, obviously mental, but some are emotionally impaired. And then some are liars, some are control freaks. Some need attention, their mama didn't hug them. You know? Some is just entertainment, I guess they're bored. So you got. So you gotta figure out who's who and what's what, and get through it and hold them down and make it happen. I'll still have you here 2 and 3 and 4 o'clock, you know?
That is true.
I'm gonna read this thing, go to my other doctor, we gonna go have a nice lunch.
Absolutely, can't wait.
Now, next week, I'm gonna volunteer more since John is here.
Okay, wonderful.
It'll help the building, and it's easier for me than going other places. And it's much easier now he's here.
I got it. Yeah.